Next we will discuss the directional relay. So from the universal torque equation, if you remember, the factors that we require for directional relay, the terms that we require are the third and the fourth component. Okay, K3 Vi cos theta minus tau minus K4. So you can see you have a negative sign here because this is going to act as a restraining torque, while this component is going to act as the operating torque. So now what happens in a directional relay? Majorly it is used to trip the circuit when the current is reversed, when the current is flowing in the reverse direction. Okay, so the directional relay, it will have two units. One is the overcurrent unit. You will have the overcurrent unit as well as the directional unit. Okay, so first there is going to be a directional unit. What it does, it first checks the direction of the current and then gives the appropriate signal to the overcurrent unit. Okay, so both voltage and current, they are given to the directional unit. Now if this operates, that means the current is indeed reverse. Okay, then it will go to the overcurrent unit. Okay, so here the overcurrent will check if the current is beyond a certain level. So only if it is beyond a certain level, it will give the signal to circuit breaker. Okay, so trip signal to circuit breaker is given only when both the conditions are satisfied. That means direction is reversed and current is also beyond a certain value. Okay, so here also you can write, if it operates, only then it will go to overcurrent unit, and this also if it operates, then only it will give the trip signal to circuit breaker. Now if it doesn't operate, then there is not going to be any tripping. Okay, so if it doesn't operate, then no tripping. Similarly here, if it doesn't operate, then no tripping. Okay, so this is basically how a directional relay will work. So more appropriately, this is a directional overcurrent relay.